of an all-electric finished goods pack-out. Upon a pass of the part, a green light illuminates and a CKD electric actuator opens the pack-out slot door, allowing the part to fall into a finished goods tote. This pack-out is using a CKD EBS slider-style electric actuator and ECG controller. The EBS series are compact with high rigidity and designed with an outer rail type guide. elliTek's engineers really like CKD's EBS series due to their ease of use and simple maintenance that extends the life of the actuator if it's maintained on a regular basis. In fact, one of elliTek's customers said they have CKD products that have been running for 20 plus years. An electric actuator is easy to add to existing systems. They require fewer components and have lower operating costs. Whether you need to upgrade your equipment to meet green initiatives or you're looking to lower your operating costs, elliTek's engineers are here to help. Give us a call today at 865-409-1555 or visit our website at www.ellitek.com. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a great day.